Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to fix AMD Error 173 on Windows. So if you're saying Error 173, no graphics hardware detected when installing AMD Radeon software, don't panic. This usually happens for a few simple reasons and I'll help you fix it step by step. So first, you need to make sure that the Windows can actually see your graphics card. You can press on Windows plus X and then select the device manager. And now just expand the display adapters. And you should see the AMD Radeon like this, not Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. If you only see Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, that means Windows isn't detecting your GPU properly, but don't worry, we'll fix that next. So this error commonly appears after hardware changes. You need to make sure that your GPU is fully seated into the PCIe slot and ensure that the 8-pin or 6-pin power cables from the PSU are connected. You can also try plugging your monitor directly to the GPU, not the motherboard. So if the GPU lights or fans don't turn on, it might not be receiving power. And if your GPU is installed correctly, the next step is reinstalling the drivers. So first, you need to remove the old drivers. You can just go to Google in here and search for DDU download or display driver uninstaller. Okay, DDU, this one. And you can just run the DDU and after that choose clean and restart. And next steps, you need to go to the amd.com and search for the resources and support. Now you can just select your GPU model and download the latest driver and just install it normally. If you downloaded a driver for the wrong GPU model, the error 173 will appear, so double check your GPU name before installing. And sometimes the motherboard switches to integrated graphics. So for this, you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. And you can just find the primary display or graphics adapter and set it into PCIe or PEG instead of iGPU. So this will ensure the system loads your AMD GPU first. And lastly, incompatible system drivers can also cause error. So you need to update the Windows. You can just go to the settings, Windows Update. And here you need to check for updates. After that, you can just install the AMD chipset drivers. Search AMD chipset driver, download. So these updates help Windows communicate properly with your AMD hardware. So that's how you can fix the AMD error 173. If the error is still showing, your GPU might be faulty, but for most people, one of these steps solve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one.